Hello South Africa. Today is Wednesday, June 22, 2022 and here is Lifestyle Highlight. Stormers Dayimani on jolling binge in full kit. It's been 4 days since the Stormers won the inaugural United Rugby Championship, URC, and Hacjivah Dayimani has not stopped jolling. On Saturday, June 18th, the DHL Stormers defeated the Bulls team with a score of 18-13, introducing a new trend of celebrations for Dayimani, and his fans are loving it. The 24-year-old Stormers open-side flanker's social media is nothing short of entertaining as the star shares videos and pictures of himself still in his full playing kit and drinking champagne all day every day. Post-match celebrations started on the field for Dayimani and moved straight to the change rooms where he was drinking champagne out of the championship trophy. One day after the final, Dayimani's girlfriend recorded him drinking champagne in the shower, whilst in his matchday kit and his gold medal around his neck. Ensuring fans that he does take showers even though changing clothes is not an option, the flanker recorded himself drinking champagne in the shower on Monday, still in full kit and a glass of champompo in hand. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.